But I still want to know, how did you find that specific one to invest in? You know what I'm saying? Like,
yeah. So like,
how was it that one?
Once we went into the Binance March, there were 1,000 projects. I'm always looking at fundamentals, always hearing about the people that I have on my side. There's a Puerto Rican friend that I have. His name is Galindez. That's what they call him. And he was talking about some projects. This project that I'm talking to you about, it's an algorithmic stablecoin. If you look at it right now, it's dead. Everything went down.
Shot.
Yeah, everything that's like DeFi, like 99%
it's like
of
pump
the projects.
And dump, would you say?
Yeah, we could call it a pump and dump.
It's not really here for the long term, but you know.
Yeah, but once I looked at the market cap, the circulating supply on it, and I looked at the fundamentals, which was an algorithmic stablecoin, they were promoting that back into 2018, 2019, that technology, yeah. Because everybody was saying, oh, dollar's going to die, blah, blah, blah. Obviously, dollar is king always. But by then, I didn't have the knowledge that I have today. So I really believed in this project. I put $60,000 in it. So you might imagine, those were all my savings. $60,000.
All your savings?
Yeah, I was like, I'm going to go in.
What made you have the confidence to be like, okay, I'm all in on this coin?
I just realized that we were in a major bull market and people were just putting money like
it's about
crazy.
The timing, right?
It was timing. It was all timing, and the pullout game, timing too.
Pullout game.
Because I was like, you know what? I gotta get out of here. I
had
700,000. 400,000, I'm like, I gotta go. If I don't go now, the money's gonna stay there.
Back to zero.
And if I look at it today, right now, it's that project. It's not dead.
Not even,
there's a lot of people. They're still
working
on it. You know, there's still hope. But truth is,
it's over. The time passed.
I would have like $20, $60 right now from the $60,000 that I invested. If you look at.
So would you say the creators of that coin, they pretty much, just sold at the top and just called it a day?
They're not gonna say they sold it, but I'm pretty sure they did. That's what
they're all doing?
That's how they all are. Yeah, I mean, if you think about it, if you're a developer and you're making a project, bear market hits, you're getting paid from that project. You know what the market is about.
Next project.
Because if they're developing, they're light years ahead of us. So they know fundamentals too. And
so tell me about the algorithm though. What
the
was
algorithmic stablecoin? It basically mimicked the U.S. dollar. If you think about it, money goes down, people buy bonds, and they buy dollars to pump it back up, and the circulating. Just like if you think about it, USDC or USDT, whenever it goes down, they bring it back up to stability. So that project specifically, what it did is that when it went over $1.01, the printer turned on. We called it the printer.
So
and
whenever it
money.
Goes above the dollar, then it hits an algorithm where
it starts paying people out. It pays people out because you can buy shares and it'll pay you out. It was a nice project if you think about it.
I mean, it sounds perfect.
It had good intentions on it. It just the bear market hit killed everybody. If you look at Binance marching right now, it's not the same as it was 5 years ago. A lot of people in jail because of Ponzi and pump and dumps. So
what's next for this space though? What do you see coming next to that crypto investment space?
Right now specifically, I know a lot of people are jumping in right now. So
they're late, you think, or there's still a good time?
They're late. They're already late. The move was 16, 17. I was waiting for 13, but I was still putting money on altcoins.
2013?
No, 13,000. I was waiting for 13,000 on
Price.
Bitcoin. Yeah, because I had it analyzed. I was like, 13,000 is a sweet spot, but I was still DCAing on it. On altcoins, a little bit of Bitcoin. And that's basically it, yeah. So, but I still bought a lot of XRP, like...
XRP?
I've been buying XRP, buying Cardano. Yeah, I usually cash out a little bit, but I'm still holding most of my money on either XRP, Cardano, Ethereum. I like Cosmos. I don't know if you've heard of it, Cosmos Atom.
I've heard of it, yeah.
Yeah, so it's like a multi-chain project. And I think the future is going to be... If we see a bull market, most of the coins that are going to be pumping a lot, there's going to be multi-chain coins. Because what the government is trying to do is they're trying to find a way to link them all.
To regulate everything,
every
transaction.
If you're going to do any transactions, you can get in one side and you can use any type of crypto.
Yeah, because that was the initial pull to crypto, right? It was the anonymous, like just being able to be anonymous for the transactions, right?
Yeah.
But it seems like everything's shifting towards
the truth
more
is that
regulation.
being anonymous was really not. It wasn't you're still a number. You're still a wallet. They can track you down. You know, they got IP.
They can
Wherever
still
you
get
do a
you.
transaction, it'll record it. So
Is there any crypto out there where it's not like that?
I think it was like Pirate Chain. There's a few projects.
It's just
I'm
not
re-
well widely used though, huh?
It's still used. It's still used. There's people using it. But there are projects that are like 100% anonymous. Any transaction that you do, it goes to like
It's like dark web.
let's call it like an illegal washout process. Like whenever you sell or buy that coin,
Yeah.
it'll hit a lot of proxies and move the money before sending it to your wallet.
I've heard that's like a service that people pay a lot of money for.
Yeah. So I think it's Pirate Coin.